everybody, it's Brandon here from the T-Storm Chasers, just coming to you with a new video for today. Today is Sunday, April 13th, and today we will be just taking a look at some severe weather on the horizon for our Day 5 outlook. As you can see, that yellow little blob right in the middle of the screen here, and we're going to take a look at some of our temperatures and winds and our future track forecast for later on. Just going to run you through what's going to be happening this week and all of that and more after this ad from RF Custom Construction.
Everybody is looking for the perfect roof. You're only one call away. We're RF Custom Construction, and we've been transforming roofs in Sioux Falls since 2011. Our custom designs and quality craftsmanship redefine what a roof can be. And it's all about you, your style, your satisfaction. Ready to get started? Call us today at 605-366-9790. RF Custom Construction, custom designs, redefined.
So thank you very much, RF Custom Construction, for helping out today and sponsoring today's video. We're just going to jump straight into it right now. So what this is here is our Day 5 probability outlook. And this Day 5 probability outlook, we're looking at a 15% chance of severe weather in this yellow blob here. And what it's for is for the severe thunderstorms, and all hazards are possible with this, tornadoes, straight line winds, and hail. But we're looking more at hail and straight line winds at this point. Lower end threat on the tornado side at the moment, but that may change as we go along later into the week and we get more model data. So what this really is going to be is this system right here. We're just going to jump right into our future track forecast so I could show you guys this this system that's going to push through. And it's going to come in two waves. We're going to have an early morning wave, which is not going to be severe. It's going to be more generalized thunderstorms, so rain and thunder, maybe some wind, but nothing crazy. We're just going to run this out. This is Monday at 6 a.m. As you can see, we might get some showers tomorrow towards the afternoon. Later on in the early morning afternoon hours, we'll have that high pressure hang around into Wednesday, but as you can see, that low pressure start to drop in here. That's going to bring our weather through. That's going to deepen a little bit and get embedded down here, and then move to the north and bring us our showers here. So this is 6 a.m. on Thursday here at the 12Z. As you can see, some showers and storms kind of moving through and getting situated. This is 9 a.m. So those will move out later on in the day, and we'll see those storms start to refire later on in the day. So these are going to be our main storms right here. This is going to be about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock time frame, and those will develop and kind of push out of our area and bring some rain along to the back side of it. So I've seen a couple different model runs that push these to the north. That's why we're covering it more. So that 15% risk might get pushed to the north a little bit more, but right now we are looking at those cells kind of forming to the east of the Sioux Falls area and moving to the south and to the east. But if that does get started towards South Dakota area, those could push through Sioux Falls and bring severe weather potential to our neck of the woods. So with the severe weather out of the way, let's just look at our temperatures real quick and just kind of go through that as well. So over the next few days, we will have a little bit of a cool down starting up tomorrow, only going into the 40s and the 50s. This is tomorrow at 6 p.m. So this is Monday at 6 p.m., 48 here in Sioux Falls, in most of eastern South Dakota in the mid to upper 40s, and the central part of the state, upper 40s, low 50s. Overnight lows back into the 20s and 30s, and then Tuesday we will get back up into the 60s and possibly even the 70s over there towards the western side of the state, and still in the mid to upper 50s, maybe even reaching 60 over here in the eastern side of the state. And then Wednesday is going to be our warmer day as we can warm back up. Middle of the state, pretty much all of the state is going to experience 70 degrees, except for the northeast and northwestern parts of the state. And then when we get into Thursday, we will see that that frontal boundary right here, and that'll be pushing out of here and cooling us down a little bit more as that weather kind of pushes out of our area between Friday and Saturday. So, and then there is the end of that model run there. We're just going to go through real quick and run through our 6-hour max wind gusts, because the wind gusts have been a major factor over the past couple of days here. Just going to time this out here. As you can see, this is noon on Monday, 40s maximum wind gusts over the 6-hour portion between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. here. So 40s and mid to low 40s, upper 30s for those wind gusts. As you can see later on in the day, those winds start to intensify towards the southeastern and eastern parts of the state into northeastern Nebraska and northwest Iowa, and, west central Iowa as well. And then we kind of clear those winds out for Tuesday into Wednesday here. And then Wednesday we might get a little bit more gusty as well. And then Thursday we will see those winds kind of intensify with that system pushing along through. And then those winds will calm down as we get back into the Friday and Saturday time frame. So we've already went over the severe weather real quick, but I'm going to pull up one more thing that I wanted to show you guys, because this is kind of a thing that I've been watching as well. This is the 6-hour average lightning flash density. So this helps us kind of like identify, it's another tool to identify where severe weather might happen, because, you know, lightning, severe weather, the more intense lightning, more intense of a storm, more things going on inside the storm to create lightning, because lightning is made from friction and all kinds of different stuff. But so this is Wednesday at 6 p.m. here, and we're just going to move it along here. As you can see, this is, oh, there we go. So this is 6 a.m. on Thursday. As you can see, there's a little bit of lightning up here and a little bit of lightning down here, and then that just lights up as we get into the middle and to the end of our day here on Thursday. As you can see, that system kind of pushes through and then redevelops on the backside, and then goes down to the south and hits all of that. Most of our energy and our moisture is down here at this moment for what we are seeing for our model runs. But as I said, this energy and the moisture can push up to the north, and we could get that type of outcome for our area. And then this is on the back side of it. This is 6 a.m. on Friday. A little bit of showers and storms potential here on the back side of that. So that is all I have for you guys today. I know it was kind of a shorter video, but there wasn't really much to cover other than that severe weather. And then tomorrow I will be back on and covering just a bit of our new model runs for the rest of the week, trying to see what is going to go on with the severe weather, and a couple other things for you guys as well for the beginning of your work week.